Bitcoin is trading at 34,000 US dollars. We had an insane rally and breakout yesterday, guys, and this literally is changing the whole situation of a regular 4-year cycle, and it makes the chances way higher that we are actually seeing that 16-year cycle playing out that we have been talking about, especially because we have seen this massive breakdown on the stablecoin dominance. That's also the chart where I want to talk first with you about, guys, because this might be the biggest change in crypto since we have seen since 2019, and let me explain to you why. So what we are seeing right here is basically the stablecoin dominance. So how much liquidity is concentrated in the crypto markets on stablecoins, right? And the higher this is, the more money that there is present in stables, and the lower this is, the more money that is present in crypto, like altcoins and Bitcoin. Of course, mostly Bitcoin. But what we can see right here, and of course the market cap of stablecoins also increased. So this could be in an uptrend, even though while Bitcoin's prices also went up. But you can see the trend, right? So this is since 2019 in this rising channel, and this just broke down. This is insanely bullish if you ask me, because look at the amount of space that we have right now for further downside. It means that something fundamentally has changed in the markets, in the structure of this chart. So I'm also going to lean right now very bullish. I'm thinking we are in the bull market right now. We are even in the acceleration phase. But I'm also going to say that based on that 16-year cycle and what I have been talking about since early this year, I don't think that this bull market will last as long as all the previous bull markets. And I will also explain to you why. But first, let's go to the different stable coins. We got right here the US dollar Tether separately also breaking down from this ascending triangle, right? So that is also very bullish, because this is generally a bullish sign. So this one breaking down, definitely bullish for Bitcoin. USDC also breaking down to the massive support right here. And as you can see on both charts, we still have quite some space to reach the support. So right here we can still have a drop of another 20% drop until we reach the support right here. Of course, on US dollar Tether, we can also definitely drop further, as the target of this pattern is also way below the levels that we are trading right now. That is also still a significant drop, right? Another drop of roughly 28%. And here you can see as well, if you combine these stables, we can still get another drop of 10%. That's quite a lot, guys. That's really a lot. So definitely happy with this move. I'm not that happy, of course, that I took profits right here. For the ones that wondering, I did re-enter some positions during this pump. I definitely think, guys, that Bitcoin changed the structure right now and is looking bullish, but I also would like to have some stables for the side, because you know Bitcoin is crazy volatile, and there will come moments, even though Bitcoin trading first higher, there will come moments of massive capitulation, and when these moments occur, I want to make sure that I want to be there and that I have a bag of stables where I can drop money into the markets, altcoins and Bitcoin, anything. So yeah, guys, right now we are running into this resistance kind of thing, because we have this bigger descending channel in Bitcoin where we broke out to the upside. We have this uptrend line which we created since the beginning of 2023, basically, where we had this uptrend. And yeah, so far that support right now is being touched and acting as resistance at 35,400, but things can go really fast from here, guys. Like once Bitcoin is accelerating, right, things can go really fast. So guys, I also wanted to show you something based on the 60-day cycle. So what we have seen earlier, or actually early 2023 or late 2022, is that we had a 60-day cycle low very early, and the price actually was trending up inside the range of that 60-day cycle low. And something similar we actually have seen right now, and that is that here also during that 60-day cycle low we had an early low, and then the price was pushing higher at the time we actually need to make that low. And we got in 2023, we got a massive acceleration, as you can see right here, and we also right now got that massive acceleration. So I think it's actually an important sign to look at these 60-day cycle time bands and see how the price is reacting around this specific moment. Then guys, I want to bring you to the following chart. This one is quite interesting. This is the total crypto market cap. And as you can see, we have seen a breakout of the total crypto market cap to the upside, which basically means that more money has entered the crypto markets, right? We need this to go up when prices go up, but it also shows us that we are not higher than when Bitcoin was trading at 32,000 US dollars right here. We are at a similar market cap. How is that possible? People ask me, well, it's possible because more money of altcoins are concentrated in Bitcoin. So here it was a little bit more divided. Here you still had a little bit more money in altcoins, which was why Bitcoin was trading at 32,000. But right here, the money of the altcoins also is flowing into Bitcoin, and that is something I can prove with data as well, because we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, right? The Bitcoin dominance is increasing, and that brings me to the following topic, and that is that when is the altcoin season going to happen? Because we are seeing Bitcoin pumping, everyone is being euphoric. When are the altcoins going to pump? Well, I would say, guys, it might be sooner than you think. We're right now running into some resistance on the Bitcoin dominance, but we still can blast higher and maybe touch these levels first before we get an altcoin season. The interesting thing though is that a lot of times right here we have a November altcoin season. Right here we have starting like October, November, December. Here we also have September, October, November, December. So it's always or often late in the year, where we are right now as well as we are in October, we are seeing these altcoin seasons. So I'm also going to prepare for that altcoin season right now, guys. We already had some massive profitable trades over on Will Alerts. With an example, this Chainlink trade that we took at the breakout right here, which right now is in profit over 40%. And Chainlink against Bitcoin right now broke out from this falling wedge formation and right now is retesting the former resistors, potentially as support. So Chainlink is looking insanely bullish, not only against US dollar but also against Bitcoin. And that is important because you want to have both charts looking bullish, right? DYDX is also a very interesting altcoin, guys, and we have been trading this altcoin over on Will Alerts. We have been entering at these levels and we have been exiting right here close to the top, which was a profit of over 100%. And during that time frame, DYDX was also outperforming Bitcoin. And here you can see that DYDX against Bitcoin right now is stepping into some support, so that is also looking very interesting. And here you can see that we shared it over on Will Alerts when to take profits and where we have set our entry. Guys, if you want to receive these extra updates with altcoin setups, especially the ones that are looking very beautiful for the coming months, for the next altcoin season, which is happening very, very soon, make sure to join Will Alerts, guys. That is the private Telegram channel where you will receive extra information on the markets. How can you join? Well, you basically scroll below this video and there we have free exchanges: Bybit, BitGet and Femix. You can join one of these exchanges using this specific affiliate link down below this video. And if you meet the deposit requirements, you can click right here on get access to Will Alerts, which will bring you to the following page where you can basically submit your user ID, your email address and your Telegram handle. Our team will check from our back end whether you meet the deposit requirements and so on. If yes, then we will add you to that private Telegram channel. Guys, this is a completely free service still as of now, because the moment we are expanding, we are going to charge for this service. But right now you can still join for free just by joining one of these exchanges down below this video. So guys, make sure to reserve your spot during this bull market, and yeah, make sure to apply to get access to this private Telegram channel. If you want to get free content. We also have a free Telegram channel. Sometimes we do post some updates there. And when Bitcoin was pumping, we did do some updates on this channel as well. So now and then, some important updates we will also do on the free Telegram channel. So make sure to join that one for sure with the link down below. And the most crazy part of this all, guys, is that the S&P 500 had 2 consecutive daily closes below the 200-day moving average, which is, of course, a bearish sign. There's a lot of bearishness in the regular financial markets. That makes it even more weird that Bitcoin is breaking out. But it also really shows, because normally the two are very correlated, that something significant is changing right now in the markets. So I definitely want to follow whatever is going on. And yeah, the moment this one was breaking down, I knew that I was wrong, that I thought it was actually going to break up, because this could be a fourth wave structure. I was wrong with that, guys, and I'm happy to admit that I was wrong. And I'm happy, like I also said in my previous video, I'm very happy to change my bias right now when I get new data and new evidence that the situation is different than expected, and that Bitcoin is just looking insanely bullish. And I also said the moment we are going to break down from here is actually already a confirmation that Bitcoin is going to $100,000. Because, guys, this is really, really bullish. Just look at this structure, this rising channel breaking down. We got so much space to go to the downside. And yeah, this will definitely bring Bitcoin sooner or later to $100,000. The only thing that could be bearish in a shorter term time frame is that if we would get a retest of this of these levels right here. If we would get a retest of this channel, that could bring the price of Bitcoin back to $25,000. That is possible, but so far with this breakdown in the shorter term time frame, is getting definitely less likely. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, smash up the like button, guys. That is very much appreciated. And for the ones that are interested to join Will Alerts, make sure to do so. Join one of these exchanges down below, which you haven't joined yet. Meet the deposit requirements, submit your user ID right here, and we will add you to the private Will Alerts Telegram channel, which in 2023 already made such huge profitable calls. We called the XRP rally right before we have seen XRP breaking out. We took profits at the right time. We actually took profits very close to the top. We had the DYDX trade, which made a 100% profit. We had the Link trade, made a 40% profit. We have a lot of Bitcoin trades, which we timed with the 60-day cycle band, which made a lot of profit. And yeah, so we already had a very profitable year this year, and next year will even be more profitable. But these last months from this year are going to be very important as we are setting up for alt season, and you need to be positioned in the right altcoins to really get that momentum that we are seeing right now with Bitcoin also flowing into altcoins. And yeah, just make a lot of gains on that. So guys, if you're interested in that, make sure to join with the affiliate link down below. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.